name is Ben Nathan, and I'm going to show you how the part-time trader works. So it's made for people with very little time, so in that fashion I'm going to try and keep this video to less than 5 minutes. So in a nutshell, it's a very easy method aimed at those with only around 5 or 10 minutes a week to spare, and the idea is you spend 10 minutes a week trading and you'll make hundreds of pips. But let's show you how it works. So it's based on long-term trading in line with the fundamental trend. Now the fundamental trend is something that you'll learn in a very easy to pick up fashion within the part-time trader course. And the idea is when the markets are oversold, you'd look to buy in line with the stronger fundamentals, or if the market's overbought, you'd look to sell in line with the weaker fundamentals. So just to show you kind of the duration of this kind of movement, so I entered the euro dollar short around here, and as you can see that was about a week and a half ago, and if you have a look at the stop loss, it's fairly big, it's 150, and then if you look at the take profit, it's actually 300. So these are long-term fundamental trades, and the idea is you don't have to sit there and watch them. Once they trigger, you can leave those to pan out over the upcoming weeks, so they practically manage themselves. Now the best part is with this is I entered this trade with the PTT EA, and the way that works is very simple. You only need to leave it open on one chart, okay? So you set the EA up onto one chart, and then that will carry over onto any pairs you want the EA to trade. So if you have a look within the settings, you can choose anything from lot size to stop losses to take profits. You can even have it so that once the trade opens, you go and put your own stop loss and take profit in. But I find with these pairs, or these trades rather, 300 pip take profit, 150 pip stop loss is the sweet spot. And as you can see, all you do is just type in your trading pairs and then select the direction for the pair. And then just leave your charts open, and the EA will monitor those pairs over the weeks, and then when it gets to the perfect time to enter, it will then place a trade. And the best part is, even if you want to trade manually, you still only need to spare around 10 minutes a week. So it's very easy, and it's very easy to pick up when there's a setup happening. And when a trade sets up, you generally have 1 to 2 days to actually take the trade as well. So the great thing about this, you'll never miss a trade, because there's such flexibility in when you take the trade. You never have to manage a trade, because they're set and forget trades. And the best part is you don't even need to enter the trade yourself if you don't want to, but you can if you don't trust the idea of letting a robot do the work for you. So it's the best of all worlds, and it's made trading the most accessible it's been pretty much in forever for anybody. So no matter how busy you are, if you're directing 20 companies, you've still got time to do this. So for anybody who wants to trade but hasn't had the time, this is a perfect opportunity. And to celebrate that, there is half price off the course and EA at the moment as well. So do feel free to head over. There's a link below, and do feel free to pick that up while it's on special. Have a good day.